Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with CloudWatch using IAM policies step by step clearly. To authenticate with CloudWatch using IAM policies, begin by logging into the AWS Management Console. Navigate to the IAM service from the Services menu. In the IAM dashboard, click on Policies in the left sidebar. Select the Create Policy button to start creating a new policy. Choose the JSON tab to define your policy in JSON format. Input the necessary permissions for CloudWatch. For basic read access, you can use the following JSON structure. Version, October 17, 2012, statement, effect, allow, action, CloudWatch *, resource, *, you can custom. After entering your policy, click the Next, Tags button. Tags are optional, you can skip this section by clicking Next, Review. Now, give your policy a meaningful name and description. Review the policy details to ensure everything is accurate. Click the Create Policy button to save your new policy. Next, return to the IAM dashboard and click on Users in the left sidebar. Select the user you want to grant CloudWatch access to. In the User Detail page, click on the Add Permissions button. Choose the Attach Existing Policies Directly option. Look for the policy you just created in the list. Select the checkbox next to your policy. Click the Next, Review button to finalize the permissions. Review the permissions assigned to the user, then click Add Permissions. Now, to test the authentication, select a feature like Logs or Metrics. You should now see that the user can interact with CloudWatch as per the policy settings. If any access issues arise, revisit the IAM policies to adjust permissions accordingly. That's it. You've successfully authenticated with CloudWatch using IAM policies. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.